Are you tired of using paper towels that leave streaks and lint behind? Then you need to try microfiber cleaning cloths. Microfiber cloths are super absorbent and lint-free, which makes them perfect for cleaning all sorts of surfaces, from your kitchen counters to your car windows. They're also reusable and machine washable, so you can save money and reduce waste. In this video, we'll be sharing our top picks for the best microfiber cleaning cloths on the market. We'll also be giving you tips on how to use and care for your microfiber cloths so that they last for years to come. Number 1. E-Cloth Reusable Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. It can be difficult to choose the best microfiber cleaning cloths for housekeeping because different parts of your home require different weaves. E-Cloth created this 8-piece set to provide an option to clean every surface in your home, from your stainless steel fridge to your glass windows. Each cloth has an ultra-fine weave of 3.1 million fibers per inch too. This set comes with a variety of different microfiber cloths, each of which has its own intended use, from mopping to polishing. For example, the window cloth has a large waffle-like weave, which helps it better grab onto gunk. And the dedicated dusting cloth is made of 100% polyester, which is an unusual recommendation for a microfiber cloth. Normally we like a good portion of the material polyamide, but helps it hang on to those bigger bunnies. The brand also guarantees that their cloths can stand up to 300 washes, so you won't have to replace them anytime soon. Number 2. Magic Fiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. When it comes to cleaning ultra-delicate surfaces, these magic fiber cloths are considered the best microfiber cleaning cloths for electronics by many experts. The fine fibers remove fingerprints, smudges, dust, and dirt without leaving lint or streaks behind. The teeny, soft weave also makes the cloth safe to use on screens, including those of your best tablets, TVs, computers, and smartphones. They're also excellent for cleaning your smaller shiny things like eyeglasses, glassware, camera lenses, and watch faces. They're thin and small, just 6 by 7 inches, and each comes in its own reusable bag, making sure they stay clean in your purse, wallet, or bag. According to the manufacturer, they can be washed and reused up to 500 times. One downside is that these cloths are not machine washable, so hand washing will become part of your reality, especially considering that the black ones won't readily show you how dirty they are. Number 3. Zwipes 735 Microfiber Towel Cleaning Cloths. The best microfiber cleaning cloths for kitchens come in handy when cleaning a number of surfaces, from countertops to cabinet faces and sinks to appliances. This 12-pack is affordable and each cloth features over 110,000 fibers per inch too for a fine weave of short, fluffy fibers. That relative puffiness makes them extremely absorbent, ideal for wiping up spills and other messes. The set includes 3 cloth colors so users can differentiate ones that are used for different tasks. At 16 by 12 inches, they're large enough for most standard kitchen cleaning tasks. These cloths are machine washable and the manufacturer recommends washing in cold or warm water and drying on low. When following these instructions, the cloths should last for as many as 500 washes. While they're our top pick for kitchens, they're also appropriate for most other household cleaning tasks. Number 4. QualiCloth Glasses Cleaning Cloth. While all microfiber cloths share some similarities, they're not all designed to serve the same purpose. When it comes to cleaning your glasses, for example, you need the best microfiber cleaning cloth for glasses. This means it is very finely woven so that there's no chance it will damage your expensive prescription lenses. These cloths from QualiCloth feature a proprietary honeycomb pattern that offers an even gentler clean than other brands. You will, however, need to take care of the cloths so that they'll take care of your valuables. They must be washed by hand in cold water with a mild soap and then sit in the air to dry. By following these instructions, though, you'll get as many as 500 washes out of each cloth. QualiCloth is engineered from our exclusive ultra-fine, dense, and lint-free Japanese microfiber cloth woven in a unique honeycomb matrix. Number 5. Chemical Guys Professional Grade Microfiber Towels. While you can invest in having your car professionally detailed, it's also possible to do a lot of the work yourself as long as you have the right tools. Pros use the best microfiber cleaning cloths for cars to clean and polish the interior and exterior surfaces of your car because they can gently clean without risking scratches. This 3-pack of cloths from Chemical Guys is crafted specifically for your automotive needs. Each cloth is dual-sided for added functionality. One side features long fibers which work well for wiping away dust, while the other features short fibers which are designed for buffing, polishing, and window cleaning. The cloths feature silk edging, which unlike inexpensive nylon edging is designed to prevent scratches. These wipers are also effective whether they're wet or dry. They're made with 70% polyester and 30% polyamide, indicating a high-quality construction.